Hi, this is a short video to talk you through how to edit email templates. So to get to the Manage Center, click on the cog in the top right hand corner. You then want to scroll down to Communicate, and under Communicate you'll find Email Template Editor. So here we go. You'll see here the list of all the email templates you're able to edit. The two that you might want to edit most frequently would be the new user welcome and the new password. So if you click here on the left hand side under new user welcome, now on the right hand side you'll see the information about that email template. Don't change the name here of the email template. We suggest you always leave that the same. This box here, the sender box, is the email address that will be used to send this email. Now, what you don't do is you do not type an email address in here. You need to select the user with the correct email account. So if you click on these three dots, it brings up the select, and this is where you can select the user that is sending the email. So you can see here whether we've selected the demo administrator account to send these emails. But if you wanted to do a search in here, you'd enter either the user ID or the email address. It would then pop up on the left hand side, and you just click on the right arrow to select it. So click OK here. All these default settings we recommend you leave the same. Here you've got the subject of the email. So when you get an email, this is what will appear in the subject header. This here is the actual text that is going to go in the email. Please do not amend the text within these curly brackets. That needs to be the same. So this is the code that helps the system select the participant name and the participant ID. So when this goes out, it will be personalised, and this is the field that pulls the correct data. The other information in this email message is just a copy of what will go out. So you can see here we have set a default password for all new user accounts. So that is entered in there. And this is just a polite message explaining that. If you have any text in here, you change it, and then at the end you just click Save, and that'll then save the information. Another one which you may want to change is a new password. So again here, click on the new password button, and it brings again on the right hand side a copy of the information. So here again, leave the name of the email template the same, and this is exactly the same as before. So you need to select which user you want the email to go from. Leave all this information the same. So this is saying who the email will going to, etc. And then here again, this is the subject of the email. So this is what will appear in the subject field when the participant receives it. And again, as per the other, the curly bracket, the information contained in the curly brackets need to stay the same, because that pulls information from the LMS, and this is the text you can change within that. Again, you need to click Save, and that'll change any amendments to the email template.